Welcome again to another lesson. This is a continuation of our series on JavaScript string. And in this lesson, we'll be examining how to use quotes inside quotes. You can use quotes inside the string as long as they don't match the code surrounding the string. So let's say you have something that requires a quote. For example, look at this first example. Let's answer y equals it's all right. So let me pull up my editor so that you can see what that means. So I'll close the console. Let's say you want to, have something like it's all right, like this. It's all right. Now, if you take a look at this, and let me just show this. Okay, now you can see it. This is another JavaScript method I'm using to write to the browser. I've showed us all of this in the beginning. So now take a look at this. You can see I'm saying it's all right. But if I try to use single quote, let's see what will happen. You can see that there's an error. This red squiggly line is shown on that all right and S. Now let's now see that error in our console to know what is exactly wrong in the code that we have. Uncaught syntax error, unexpected identifier S, which means that JavaScript only understands this IT part. So it will treat this. This is how JavaScript treats this sentence, this variable. You see this single quote where it started and where it ended. So the rest part, JavaScript ignores it because it does not understand how to pass these other quotes that we have in our script. But if I change this to a double quote right away, you will see that that error is going to disappear, and you can see that the error is no longer showing in the console. And you can see that on my screen, the variable is back and it's showing correctly. So this is how you use string with quotes. So you can see another example is called journey. So as long as the surrounding string is not the same as the inside string, this will definitely work in your code. It's called journey. So let me use that as an example, another example for us so that you see. So here we can say is called single quote because we already have an outside quote, which is double quote. You can see it is called journey, and you can see what I'm seeing in my browser. I'm seeing the name, the guy's name is even carrying the single quotes, and it is joined without any reference error in our tab. So this is how we work with string and use quote inside quote in JavaScript. This is one of the way you can use quote inside quote while working with JavaScript string in your code. Thank you. I'll see you